So we started with trying to figure out how we can eliminate some of the housing components in this assembly to reduce weight. After about 30 hours of work, we came up with some designs. As you can see, we got rid of parts of the housing, and there is a change in the way the brake lever is defined. You can see there is now a long articulated brake pedal. This is also fabricated. We shared this design with the customer, and they liked the fact that we were going after areas where we could save them a lot of time and money. With the customer's feedback, we went back and did a second iteration of this part, and what you see is the second iteration right here. Again, you can see there is another change in the way the brake pedal is now defined. It is now a forged pedal. This pedal has a lot of mechanical advantages over the original one and is still linked properly to the brake actuator. After this iteration, the customer was very happy with the way we were going after savings and wanted to see what the next step would be. And this is where we came up with the third iteration of the design. As you can see, there is a change in the whole assembly itself. You will notice in the previous one, the linear accelerator unit was still on the right-hand side of the wall of the housing, but in this version, we moved it to the back plate of the housing. We made changes to the way the entire accelerator pedal was activating the linear accelerator unit while not losing any functionality or any changes to the brake pedal. We also made it possible for the parking brake assembly to be integrated into this assembly easier by removing a whole lot of housing constraints. This made room for some of the functionality of the parking brake assembly to be integrated into this assembly.